Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Google account has two-step verification and accurate business details. This is non-negotiable. Once done, sign into the Google account you will use and navigate to the Ad Manager sign-up flow. Enter your company legal name, primary contact, and tax classification exactly as your bank records show. Make sure to select the Ad Manager product option. This step directs account provisioning and prevents accidental enrollment in AdSense instead. Next, configure your Ad Manager network. Choose a clear network name, the primary currency, and the time zone. These cannot be changed easily later. Then add inventory by creating ad units with exact sizes and placements that match your site or app layout. Create orders and line items to map advertisers to inventory. Use standard line items for predictable CPM billing. Once set, apply labels and targeting keys so you can segment traffic and report on performance accurately. To finish, install the generated ad tags on your pages or app and use Preview to verify impressions and creatives render correctly. Link your billing account and enter payment details so invoices process when revenue shares or fees apply. Make sure user roles and permissions are assigned to collaborators. If something goes wrong, start by checking tag placement, network time zone and currency mismatches, and user permissions. These 3 issues cause most failures. Rerun the preview after fixes to confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.